To make good quality puffed pork skin, we first clean the fresh pork skin and cook it until the skin can be cut easily. Then cut off the fat on it. After cleaning, it can be dried in the oven or dried in the sun. When the pork skin is dry, it can be puffed using a microwave dryer. At the inlet of the machine, we can put the pork skin on trays or spread it on the conveyor belt. After starting the machine, the pork skin will be transported to the inside of the machine. When it is transported to the heating area, the pork skin will absorb microwaves and be puffed in a very short time. We can get the puffed pork skin at the outlet. The whole process is short and non-fried, so the puffed pork skin not only has good taste but also is healthier.